Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to make your DJI ROMO slow down for particulates. When your robot discovers some particulates, like for example cat litter, it can slow down so it cleans more efficiently and also doesn't really break on the inside. Then you can enable it. So if you have a cat, for example, I think that may be pretty useful. You can go to the settings in top right corner, then go to obstacle avoidance settings and enable boosted cleaning for particulates, and the robot will slow down, reduce side brush speed, and increase suction power to clean the floor. So yeah, that can be enabled or disabled. And I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.